Let's continue from our previous videos in the reports tutorial. Moving on to the final section, the Tell Boss app. Here you'll find the company-level custom reports specifically for the Tell Boss app. Simply click on it to access the page. On this page, you can choose which items the client or boss can view in the Tell Boss app. Select the items you'd like them to see from categories such as income, allowances, deductions, reimbursement, employer contribution, quantity, net pay, and gross pay. Do note that the items displayed are based on the employee's payslip. So, if a particular payslip doesn't include, for example, a reimbursement for foreign travel expenses, then that item won't appear in this page. Once you're done, click Save to confirm your selections. That's all for the report tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.